Hey everyone, so I'm back for a new tutorial. This will be a look I'm doing for my birthday, and this is going to be using the new, well, it's fairly new ColourPop Zodiac palette. This is the one in Peace, Love, Libra. And we're going to be using these colors today. So I'm just going to jump right in. I did my brows already, as you can see. So just a quick recap of what I use to do my brows is I start out by priming my whole eye with the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. This is some real good stuff. I think it's underrated. I don't think I've heard anybody mention it before, but it's a good primer. So I prime my eyes with that first. I use a NYX eye pencil, and it's just in the color brown. And this is what I use to get the shape of the brow. Then I go in with this powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color chocolate. I don't know if you can see that, it's blurry, but it's a brow powder. Two sides, I usually use the darker color. And to fill the brows in, and that's it. So we're going to start with this color in the little mini palette. I'm going to use that just going under the brow. And blend it down. Next, we're going to go into the crease, and I'm going to be using this color, which has the Libra symbol there on there. And I'm going to be using this new tool that I just purchased just to play with. It's something I found on Instagram, and it's a thing that helps you to get your crease cut. So it's this little tool here. If you've ever been on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, I'm sure you've seen advertisements for this thing. So I'm going to try it out. This is my first time using it, so we'll see. So I'm going to hold this up to my eye about right there. And I'm just going to use it as a guideline to where the crease will be cut. So I'm taking that color and just going right across this little tool. Worked pretty good. And I'm just going to use a little more to, I'm going to blend above that line. Next, we're going to cut the crease. So I use some P. Louise bases to come up with this color. I'm using the Rumor, and this is 0.5. And I'm also using the Basic, I guess, cosmetic base. This one is in Winter Rose. Came in a set, and this is the mix that I'm going to be using to cut the crease. And I'm just going to go right under the line that I used the tool to line the cut crease for me. So I'm just gonna draw a line right under that line. And I'm just gonna go straight down. I figure I use that tool since, you know, your eyes are not shaped the same, so maybe the tool could help me to get that more precise line and even on both sides. Just like so. That's what we have so far. Next, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to use that color. And we're going to put that on the inner half of the lid on top of that base. And then for the second half of the lid, I'm going to use that color. It's like an iridescent peach color. And I did dampen my brush with just a little matte Fix Plus, just to bring out the color more. And make it blend a little better with the first color on the lid. Okay guys, I'm back. I got a little lost in the look and I had to do some modifications to make it look satisfactory for my liking. So what I did was, after I cut the crease, I actually added a color from Jaclyn Hill, the Morphe palette. This is volume 2. And I use this color right here called Next. And I use that to deepen the crease. And then I took the Libra sign color in the palette and blended it out. Then I cleaned up the eyes. I put liner on the bottom. I used this Jordana pencil in Cabernet, and it's pretty much this color that I have on the lower lash line. So I figured that kind of cut crease made that cut crease look a little blended, a little better, because it was looking really light. So I'm going to apply these lashes. These are KOKO lashes from this KOKO lashes in Bella. Going to apply those lashes. I'm going to apply my foundation, which is going to be the NARS New Caledonia. is the color, but this is the Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. Gonna use that. I'm going to use this lipstick. I might have to use, this is a new lipstick by Milani. It's one of their, I think it's a new matte lipstick. Since a lot's going on the eyes, I'm gonna use this color in Tease. I might have to use a liner, but we'll see. Some matte nude. Nude matte. However you want to put it. And that's pretty much it. I don't know what I'm going to do for blush yet, but I'll figure it out. So anyway, struggle with this look, but I'm hoping that with future videos, once I get a little used to recording the process and all of that, things will go a little smoother. I'm going to do another look with this palette too, because I was thinking that I could do a little something slightly different with it. Similar, but a little different. Just a different placement of the colors. But yes, we'll get the face finished. We'll post some pictures, and hopefully we'll see you soon, and with another look and another tutorial. So anyway, I hope this look is inspiring you to create something of your own. I've been dying to say that for a couple years now, so I hope you like this look. Bye.